my first Saturday. Spent the night in the van last night. It was great. I didn't have any trouble sleeping any more than usual anyway. And I was warm enough. I was surprised. I thought I was going to get really cold. So now I am headed out. Took off for the day. I'm going to go back to the same campsite tonight, but I'm in search of some desert art installations that I have heard there are some sculptures out here, so I asked a ranger and he pointed me in the right direction. So now I'm headed out to look for the sculptures. That's the Salton Sea. It's really gorgeous. The weather is like 69 degrees right now. There's barely anybody here. There are some fun, creative art installations. I've never been here before. The Dead Sea Forest. And then it's got this other, so I'm just getting the blocking out the structures. And I don't care if they're accurate, and I don't even care. It's going to be a very loose drawing. One thing it does have though is a shadow, so I think that's really cool. Shadows going like this. And then it really mimics it, so that might be fun to put in. Okay, so right up here is this table. It's got a sign leaning on it. And then over here, and I'm gonna go probably end up going on the other page. Definitely not gonna use ink until I have a better view of it, but I'm gonna lay down some watercolor. Some islands out here, and then it just goes up into blue. So we've got, I know my paint is muddy, but I'm okay with it. I'm going in now with a little bit of gray to try to a little gray blue. With this big brush, it's not going to be easy to make these look like clouds, but honestly, I really don't care. I'm just having so much fun. Up again because it's just too dark. What I need then is some white, which I can go back later and define the edges with the bright white and make sure to take a picture of those clouds so I can go back later and add some gouache or white ink, because I think that's really gonna make them more distinct there. because there's the darkness on the bottom and then some real bright lights on the top. So the idea with this is I'm not trying to make accurate representations of the images. I'm really putting down color, and then later I'm going to take a look at the picture and I'm going to use my ink to create the rest of the painting. I love how the paint spreads here. And now I'm gonna go, there's this shadow, which goes this way. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I couldn't really see any details, so I took some pictures and I painted a nice well, I hope it's a nice background, and just added some color based on the lighting and stuff. And I'm gonna go back to the camper van and I'm going to add in ink and more watercolor if necessary and try to make some sort of composition. We were such a constellation, right? No, you'd agree. Made a reputation for ourselves at age 18. We had the devil on our shoulders telling us what we should do. I wonder if you think about me too. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside and I kind of feel like calling, but it's too late now. I just miss you. I just miss you. Oh, I miss you. Oh, I miss you. It's 2 a.m. and I can't fall asleep. I'm just not tired. I can hear the raindrops falling. It's cold outside